Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel for another week of something special. So today I will be making yogurt fruit bar medley. This is a frozen treat, so stay tuned. Here are the ingredients for our frozen treat. 1 silk strawberry dairy-free yogurt, and I also have a peach yogurt. I have here a banana, also have 7 strawberries, and I have 10 red grapes. This is a very affordable treat. And so guys, I washed the fruit, so now I will start by cutting or dicing the fruits into small pieces. So this is all depending on how you like your fruit. Start with the grapes. Cut it in half, and then cut it in 4/4, and then I just cut them as small as you can, or you want them to be. So let's move on to the strawberries. You can use whatever fruit you have in season. You can use mangoes, so I'll take the top off, whatever fruit you have. So it's not limited to grapes and strawberries and bananas. Any fruits you move on to the banana. I do love banana, so I always have banana home. This is the fruit that I consume the most. What I'll do now is to slice as thin as you can, or as thin as you like. This recipe is all about you, so do whatever you choose to do. I have a bowl, so what I'll do now is to pour the yogurt in the bowl. I'll just spread it out. And just make sure that the fruit's covered. What I'll do now, I will freeze this 4 to 5 hours. And just took the yogurt fruit bar medley from the freezer. It was in there for 5 hours. Guys, so this is our final product, guys. So as you can see, it's very colorful and it's very tasty. And if you're not a vegan and you want to use regular yogurt, you can also do so. Please try this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So until next time, see you, take care, and have a good day.